Good morning, everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful, snowy Ohio day? So we've been battling this storm, multiple storms, and we got a huge storm we're going to be running into later this evening, going in through the next day. But yeah, power's all done. We got heat back in the house. Electrical's all good to go. Bex did a phenomenal job. No more water coming in. Everything is good. They had to put in that plug-in down there. Had to put in a bunch of grounds and stuff, and then ton of work on the outside as well, just to get everything up to code. Thank you, Beck, and yeah, let's move on from that. Alright guys, left this in real time, even though I'll probably just skip through the editing because I'll be like out of frame, out of sight. But I just did this whole front here of the offices with cars, and it looks like about 13 minutes. don't even think they plowed down here yet. See Hughes breaking the law. One way. He's going the wrong way. Such a rebel. Thank you, Lord, for the church bells. I meant to throw the backpack blower in the truck for this job specifically, and yeah, I've just been so tired. We've been working constantly, getting very little sleep. Luckily, the school was canceled, so we were able to get in here and get it done. To be clear, this is not the big snow event everybody's been talking about. I know somebody referenced that in the last video, asking how we got caught or whatever it was, and I just tried to explain to them that that was not that event. These are lake effect snow that comes through. And yeah, that big one's going to be one that came across the country, and yeah, that one will be in tomorrow's video. And we're just now getting some rest from that storm. So put it on heavy here. The wind's
I'll just back up and use the salt spreader.
Alright guys, that's a full walkthrough. I do want to say, these things, I don't know why, every time I see these rainbow things, you remember the Reading Rainbow show?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. It's in a book, a reading rainbow. That was my childhood. Maybe not yours, but mine. I love that show. I can do anything. Let's take a look. It's in a book, Reading Rainbow. There's a funeral going on, so I'm not going to complain too much. That car won't be there all the time. It's just in a tough spot for us to get in there. We're basically driving up over the curb and the sidewalk to get access there. Alright guys, so we just got done, and yeah, it's winter wonderland again. It is coming down.
1 to 3 inches. Awesome.